Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today let us analyze the stock Kumar Infra Projects Limited. So the stock looks bullish in the weekly chart and monthly chart. It's for long term and the stock has made a good consolidation since listing and the stock looks bullish right now, and we can expect the price change of 400 as the most primary target, which can be considered as a short term or medium term target, and the stock has potential to move higher for long term. So financials of the company is looking good and one can consider going long in the stock for long term. Just understand the financials of the company before entering the stock for long term. So the company is basically engaged in business of execution of contracts of various infrastructure projects, including transportation engineering, civil construction, piling work and irrigation projects. So it's a decent business and the company has good sales growth, and there is no much increase in profit growth in year-on-year basis, but it's still a good pick for long term. So if you wish to enter the stock for long term, just understand the financials of the company before entering the stock for long term. So this is a monthly chart of Kumar Infra Projects Limited, and the stock was listed around the price range of 56 and it's around 230 price range right now. So it's 3 times return from 2008 listing price. Currently the stock looks bullish for short term, so one can enter the stock at current market price, or else one can enter the stock above the price range of 260 and can expect a rally till the price range of 400 for short term. This is the monthly chart, and let me draw the most important trend lines that govern the stock. So this can be considered as a good trend line, and look at the breakout here. So it's a completely good breakout and we can consider going long in the stock for long term and for short term. So it's a good breakout, so we can consider going long in the stock for short term. And let me draw another trend line that acted as a support so far. So this can be considered as a good support trend line, and look at the reaction at support region. So after hitting the support region, the stock just started moving higher. So we can consider this as a good support region for the stock, and we can expect the price range of 320 as the most primary target, and the price range of 420 can be taken as the next target in the stock. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart, and look at the trend line and look at the breakout here. So this can be considered as a good breakout actually, but the candles formed after the breakout is not that great. So we can consider going long in the stock above the price range of 260 because the candle shows a huge pressure on higher side. So one should give time to consolidate, and the stock has potential to move higher, and if the stock breaks the price range of 260, then the stock will fly like anything. So breakout of the price range of 260 can be considered as the safest entry in the stock. So now let's move to the daily chart now, but before moving to the daily chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description, and it's subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any ideas published in our channel. So this is the daily chart. Let me clear all these lines to understand further, and let me draw the most important resistance and support zone in the stock. So this can be considered as a good resistance zone, and look at the reaction at the resistance zone. So there is a change in polarity of this line. So the line acted as a support region right now, so we can consider this as a good support region for the stock. So look at the candles here. It forms a good triangle here. So breakout of the price range of 260 can trigger a further rally. The candles are looking very good, and look at the range expansion. After a good range expansion, the stock just started moving higher. So we can consider this as a bullish sign, and considering the price range of 260 as a entry is very fine. So let me use Fibonacci retracement tool to understand the retracement levels. So currently the stock has hit the 0.618 level and it just started moving higher. So we can consider this as a bullish sign, and breakout of the price range of 255 to 260 can be considered as an entry, and the price range of 315 to 320 can be taken as the most primary target in the stock. And let me use the Fibonacci extension tool to understand the price action targets. So by considering the price range of 215 as a retracement, we can consider the price range of 300 to 310 as the most primary target. So overall, the 310 price range can be taken as the most primary target in the stock for short term. So taking entry above the price range of 260 is advisable. Taking entry at current market price is also fine, but you should set a good stop loss. And from the price range of 260, the target is around 20% upside. So we can expect a good rally in the stock, and the stock has potential to move higher because the stock made a good higher high formation in this weak market condition. So we can expect a further rally in the stock. So taking entry above the price range of 260 is advisable, and the price range of 300 to 310 can be taken as the most primary target in the stock. So price range of 420 can be taken as the next target. So use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend, and the stock is making a good IRA formation. So enter the stock at current market price or else above the price range of 260 and ride the trend using the 50-day exponential moving average. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally thank you for watching our videos.